Oh, oh, oh. Wow. It's crazy in here tonight, people. You can feel it in the air. It's thick. Whoa. I don't know what's going on, people, but it's crazy tonight. We love it, though. We love paranormal activity. I think I think something crazy can make it easier. I think something crazy came out of that mirror from Waverly Hills and it's found a new home. That's freaking me out. Whoa. Wow. What in the heck? Wow, this is amazing. The energy, the things are flying around the room. It's just completely amazing. Wow. What is that? You guys never know what you're going to see on the Orbology show. Come on out, Dolly. Come out and see the people. Let's see your spirit. Just don't come into our bodies. What the hell was that? Oh, excuse my language, people. Wow. Scared me. Being race. I will be feeling like you saw. I saw. I saw. No. Women's bodies. What the hell was that? Oh, excuse my language, people. Wow. Scared me. Wow. I don't know what that was. It flew right at me. Wow. Wow. There's something in here, people, that I've never seen before. I don't know what it is, but it's really, really weird. And it's not a bat, but it's something black that's flying around in the room. It must have come from Waverly Hills. Wow. Wow. Waverly Hills. Wow. What in the heck? Wow. Amazing.